Hi, Tozani, ngiyaxolisa my video ikhathile out. So, as I was saying, what is Ukufemba? Ukufemba, communicator nabafi bakho, your ancestors and stuff. As for example, Ukufemba ngayibeka ngale ndlela le. As for example, let's say your grandparents or umamako or babako ushonile without saying anything. Some parents bayashona bangasho ukuthi ngishiye into so kade ngithwele ngento so, I was doing such kind of things so ashona angashongo. So when ufemba, it's whereby you catch many spirits. Uthola ipirits zokuloya ezama ancestors wakho, izinto nje abakunikeza zona, izinto abakuthwalisa zona. As for lezi abantu bakhuluma ngento ama-husband ties nani ziningi into zakhona. You won't understand probably by masingasho ukuthi ukufemba is to catch what into ezikuhluphayo wena emzimbeni wakho. As for example, ingafemba maybe probably egini you live with your parents, you live with people, and then when baphila happily, baphila kahle, you wena ke awuphili kahle the way ofuna ngakhona. As for instance, this happen most kuma rich families, whereby uzothola ukuthi bonke ba rich, and then you're the only son or daughter which is not rich. It's whereby most people basithola kuphi ekufembeni. Mawuyofemba uthola ukuthi wena you are poor and your family is rich. It's whereby uthola more information about your ancestors. It's like abafi bakho bayakutshela, but through the person bayakutshela kahle indawo. Maybe okay, let me put it like this. Maybe for mina ngithwele and then my brother akathwalanga, he's poor, and then mina rich. It can be like this. And then my poor brother maybe ahamba emundwini, and then the person I'm joking, your ancestors want to talk to you and stuff kanjalo. It's whereby they bangenza bafuna ukukhuluma nawe. It's whereby bafuna ukukhuluma nawe abafi bakho by ubunyanga nani and stuff kanjalo. Ngenyama yakho is like, it's whereby they give you more information than uhlolo ukhomsa amathambo. It's where uyuzwela na ukuthi here my grandfather unikeza information eso shukuthi maybe your grandfather is explaining ukuthi umamakho is like this and like this and like this and like this. When I guess so maybe in that point when you never knew that your mother is doing this to you, your father is doing this to you. So ukufemba idlozi lomzawu, banzawu, mzawu, mndawu. Probably this uthi umzawu what no. It's like probably for umzawu I know uthi people think uthi umzawu when afemba ukhuluma iShona, those different languages, iShona and Mozambican languages and some stuff. No, umzawu mawuphuma whereby uzofemba uyabulisa by its own language, isindzawu, iShona, iskalanga, and some different languages la amanye singamazi even though. But now by that time you will see this is not the person lo engimaziyo. Then it's whereby the spirit leads sikhuluma by isindzawu, and then by that time maybe magafemba, maybe the person, as for me, maybe as the person ngiyazi ukukhuluma Shona, I can speak Shona even though labantu laba abafuna ukufemba bakhuluma Shona, I can. If bafuna ukukhuluma isiZulu, I can, but kudependa elimini lomuntu. So that's where most people they don't understand what is happening between because some they said yo thina siyasaba ukufembiwa, to be whipped, because there are some things which people speak or some things lezi abantu bayikhulumayo wena must understand. No, as for in case when bakufemba, you have to be as like ube right normal. Secondly, kumele ube nempendulo nama-answer, because uzohlangana into eziningi such as people who hate you, into akuthiwalise zona, your ancestors, the things that amadlozi wakho makubonisa zona, but when you attend uzi-ignore, sometimes uyazenza into emshama cutouts. Some amadlozi they do like that, as like they cut off. So it's whereby ukufemba you catch many things, ubambe into eziningi eziphilayo, things which are not alive. Even animals ukufemba uyazibamba, ikhova, zonke lento lezi. So you will be seeing by signs, and by that time, as for example, let me do it like this. Maybe a femba, yeah, I'm whipping, and then I catch a person. As for example, yo mzala, phela uzoba, you will have that knowledge how umuntu ongibizothanda ukumbiza mzala is this person. Then that's how things work by ukufemba, and whereby you get more information